Ganihano, anak ko ihatag sa Mandawi. Dili lang cash. Anyways, akong basahon, Republic of the Philippines, Department of Social Welfare and Development, Field Office 7. Plaque of Appreciation is awarded to the Local Government Unit, Mandawi City, Cebu, in grateful appreciation of their outstanding service and dedication to persons with disabilities as the first LGU in the region who established a Persons with Disability Affairs Office in compliance to Republic Act 10070. Given during this 45th National Disability Prevention and Rehabilitation Week celebration, 18th day of July 2023 at Insular Square Activity Center, Mandawi City. Signed, Shalane Maria Lucero, CESO4 Regional Director. So congratulations, Nita.